What it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy, 2 Ys, checking in with another banger, broski. Yeah, I told y'all we're gonna have a whole bunch of pickups and unboxings, right? You know what I mean? Here go Chicky Beezy Bed down here, but matter of fact, yeah, first unboxing of the day. Man, my Rotate boys came through, bro, and I got the last one. I'ma link the homies IG in, so y'all can check them out if y'all want to. They got some more pieces online. They got a piece for the ladies, man. I gotta grab from Mama Bear. It's a crop hoodie. It's so hard. I love the color on there. The design on it is so ill. But yeah, man. You know them boys got my Supreme bag. Whoever the fuck it was, you bitch made, nigga. You know what I mean? That shit still ain't cool. But my Rotate fam, man, came through. And I copped the last one, so I got this bag to put the battery in. We went to Best Buy today. So I have something to put inside of the bag. But nah, I needed a charger for the battery. And I got, hold on, an extra battery. It's the type of battery I use for my camera. Extra battery, card reader, help me out when I'm editing the bangers, and an extra SD card. You know what I mean? For that good 4K footage. Shit be running out of space hella quick, so I had to get an extra one. And that ain't even it, broski. Let's get to the meat and potatoes, bro. This about to be the biggest unboxing of my life. Oh, dang, I gotta show Mama Bear the bag too. She wanted to see it. She ain't seen it yet, so. Yeah. Ride with me, G. Give me a quick sec. Show Mama Bear the bag. Oh, she getting out the bus now?
Yeah.
Chicky Bee's finally getting out the bus.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, it's hard, ain't it?
Rotate. Yeah, that's nice. That's cool.
This is the biggest unboxing of my life, G. Look at all these boxes.
Sandpaper on them haters, we can't let them slide. Real nigga, first I get money on the side. Mobbed up from day one and built the empire. I seen a boy with my sauce, I need that back. Keep cool round the boy, I'm known to spit fire. Ride for the mob to the white show in the tie. If it's you and I, and somebody gotta die. Kiss your mama goodbye, my DNA resurvive.
Ma, what it do, broski? Yeah, man. All these damn boxes in here, man. So y'all ready to see what's inside? So boom, here we have it, cuz. Oh. So boom, here we have it, fellas. My first drop front, man. I gotta do this part myself. I don't wanna break it. I gotta do this shit. Okay. Oh, I'm in the game. You can't pull this off. I don't want these stickers on the blocks. Oh, okay. So you can't pull it off. I'm gonna pull it slow, so I don't have that old extra residue on there and fuck my shit up, you feel me? Have my shit ugly. Oh! And I managed to get some on there anyway with my goofy ass right there. It came off though. It's in sticker residue. A little bit of sticker residue, it ain't too much. But yeah, broski. Good old drop front box. Y'all wanna smell it? Smell it. Oh yeah, man. Good to go. Got some ventilation holes on here in the bottom too. I like that. so you should be able to breathe. That's dope. And you know we're gonna start with the one, so I imagine y'all wanna see me put a pair in the box, huh? So I guess how we'll do it, right? After we're gonna take them out the box, sit it here. I'll let y'all see me put the shoe in. You know what I mean? We'll stack them back over there. And after I finish with all these, they gonna move upstairs anyway, you know what I mean? But, oh no, I'm gonna leave it down here. I'm just leave it down here because, put it to you this way. If this video get 100 likes, I spread them all out on the floor for y'all, you know what I mean? Hold on, fuck up my little set, but I spread them out all on the floor and do a full collection video. But y'all gotta get this video to 100 likes, you feel me? Y'all do that for your boy, I got y'all. Full collection video will be fire. But yeah, man, let's put the shoes in the box. First pair. Y'all already know the first pair, man. Gotta be my absolute favorite pair. Air Jordan 1s. Them good high school colors, boy. Put the shadows in there, man. Gotta put the shadows in there. Ugh. So yeah, bro, let's see how, would I go in sideways? Maybe should put it this one in back that way. Some back that way. Throw my extra laces in there. Like so. Close them up. Yeah, I like that there, G. Pretty smooth. We're gonna do the rest of the ones the same way, G. And keep it moving, man. Ma.
Your chromosome got too wide, your bitch, and I'm not surprised. You came up hating on guys, I came up whipping the pies. Grab the fuck and hit it, before I heard Jesus with it. Before got it dropped, they rap what we were living. Moved to QC with OG, went to prison first day of school. Bitches on me look like I was getting it. Could go to jail if I tell the rest of the story. Just know, it was hella pain before the glory. We done been through it all, niggas still hating. Everything I spent 100, we don't do no faking. 2 grands in my back, it blow like a Jamaican. Tell your bitch, I be back, and she still waiting. Count stats, I just off another pack. Told the plug a P Ward, Florida State, run it back. I might post up on your block with that pad, just like shit. I'm coming right back, they thought I still sold crack. Whoa, you know we get it by any and every mean, bitch. Still I ain't an amount that could come between this. Heavy hitters in the mall, we gon' lean shit, yo. Bitch heavy on my line on some fiend shit, yo. Money heavy on my mind, I think green. Shit, no Jakarta did it for the team. My old hoes doing good and I wish them well. It's just one of them bitches, I hope she kill herself. It is what it is, brother, it's on me. Screaming fuck you, cause you said fuck me. And it's still 2 niggas that I need touch, but it's gonna be plenty more if they fuck with us. Let a bitch get out of line, we gon' fire 'em up, yo. Let a bitch get out of line, we gon' fire 'em up, yo. Let a bitch get out of line, we gon' fire 'em up, yo. Let a bitch get out of line. Shit, we on now, but I done fell off so many times. Bro, I'm trying to be happy, that's why I'm on the grind. I'm a victim of out of sight, out of mind. When I moved, the love was hard to find. Missing in the kitchen with the brand the city up with me. I'm blowing up, what? Now you don't fuck with me? Never turn my back, but you don't fuck with me. Them niggas faking, that's a fact, but you don't fuck with me. Could've been Saudi and exposed them, but fuck it. My wallet fat as fuck, I can't close it. Fuck, niggas sleeping at the mall, yeah, they dozing. Fuck 'em. Bossin' up, cause we the ones chosen. Fuck 'em. Too far gone, nigga, give it up. On that pop shit, bitch, hit 'em up. Giving no fucks about your feelings, bruh. If you weak, better keep that shit tough. Nigga tight, get over, he be alright. Me and bro Mariella with you with the pipe. Nigga can't see me if they call me on Skype. Nigga, you ain't heard this much real shit in your life. Yo bitch leaving you tomorrow, I'ma fuck her good tonight. Pussy, you do too much talking, I know you don't wanna fight. Now we talking, cause I don't either. Young DaveyMc came straight with the heater.
Mob. I'ma check back in with y'all on the next one, broski. From my fan to yours. I gotta... Hold on, I'm gonna do it one more time. Okay, I gotta clean up. Mob. Finna check out with y'all boys, man. Mob, man, checking out with y'all boys. Finna get up out of here, bro. So I gotta clean up all these boxes, man. You know what I mean? So from my fam to yours. Hey, peace, G. I'm clean up. 100 likes, man. Collection vid, though. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all wanna see them all.
Mob shit, fuck a bitch like I'm rich. Count so much money, thought I still sold bricks, yeah. Let that nigga got a line, we gon' fire him up. Let that nigga got a line, we gon' fire him up. Let a bitch get out of line, we gon' fire him up. Let a bitch get out of line, we gon' fire him up. Mob shit, fuck a bitch like I'm rich, yeah. Mob shit, fuck a bitch like I'm rich. Yeah.